Hello guys, it's Switch here. Finally I figured, well, it's actually, this video is like 1 minute after the the order, but I couldn't be fucking asked to check out what the fuck is going on. So I bought for that 1 ton tickets, and I'm not really happy about that because in the last video I thought I'm going to allocate my precious ton. I just need to tap the ban. Sorry about that, guys, but this is like really important. I'm going to have money from it, so I need to do it. At least a little bit. I'm gonna finish the full bar. Tap your bum. Tap your bum. Remember to tap your bum. By the way, you can join me, so you will have like almost 40% more mining from it, which means 40% more airdrop. Okay, so the last video I fucked up sort of because I bought some tickets, and those tickets we can use in the Wheel of Fortune. So you can press play and you can see I have the tickets. I will just go back to that in a minute. Well, I want to show you what you need to do. So I don't have any crypto exchange, and I don't want to have any crypto exchange. But sometimes you need to pay some amount of money to sort of, well, access the airdrop. So if you're not going to do this, you won't be able to access the airdrop. And I basically bought something and I thought it's gonna be a part of transaction, but guess what? It's not a part of transaction. So I need to actually get somehow, some way from some other apps the little bit of ton, which I have a half of the ton right now, but that's we're almost there because I need a half ton and the blockchain fees. So I accidentally bought some tickets, which I thought that's gonna count as a fucking transaction, but guess what? That's not counting as a transaction. So hopefully we can get some ton from that fucking tickets, but I doubt that, but we'll see. So we're just going to play some games. Wheel of Fortune. Unfortunate Wheel of Fortune we're gonna play because because I don't really feel or believe in it. But well, I just won the recently 2 days ago another 2 ton from the BOINKERS app. So maybe I'll be lucky. How it works anyway. Need to press OK. It's like super shite. I don't believe so. We're gonna hit 1 knot. What's the fucking 1 knot? This is fucking scam. That's what it is. This is like, I don't want any fucking tickets. I don't want a fucking knot. I want a fucking ton. Like I just want 4 ton. Like I really need it. Like I really fucking mean it. Like just fucking do it. I don't care about the points because points you will farm, and the knot, I don't even know what the fucking knot is. It like 1 knot. Like what the fuck is that? Unless those couple of knots I can sort of transfer into some fraction of ton. I don't need the fucking tickets. Like nobody really here for tickets. Like you have tickets, so like everything here is like fucking shite. Like 5 knot. I don't know what the fuck is that. So no, I'm just gonna basically play this. Also, why the fuck is so long, like that waiting time, like 5 seconds almost to wait? Like what why is that? Like yay. I don't want to tickets. I just want a 4 ton. I just want to hit 4 ton. And this is like 0.01. Like what the fuck? But that actually might be useful, to be honest with you. Maybe. Oh, fuck it. That actually might be useful. Can I withdraw? I like the cryptocurrency. Ton coin, not coin. You must have at least 100 nodes to withdraw. Okay, so at least we know something right now. Fuck me, 100. 20 times I need to hit the 5 nodes actually to be able to withdraw. Yeah, this is kind of exhausting to be honest with you guys. Like I might do this aside as a sort of session for grinding, but obviously I need to first have access to full access to Agent 301, and by full access I mean to have opportunity for airdrop, because like I said, I fucked up. I bought those tickets accidentally, and unless I'm gonna hit 4 ton somehow, and then that's gonna tell me to withdraw, I need like at least 10 ton to withdraw. Just to fuck you up. Like imagine that. Actually, can we check that? How many we need? At least 5 ton to withdraw. Ah, obviously. Is it 5 here? No, it's 4. Yeah, that's what I meant. Like, even if you're gonna hit 4, they're not gonna fucking give you the chance to withdraw. You actually need to hit 2 times 4 ton. Like, how crazy it is. Like, you just basically spend lots of, obviously, money for the tickets. So, yeah, like definitely, like, fuck that. Like, I mean, you can do this aside, like, if you have lots of tickets, but at the end of the day, well, we can clearly see this design into the way, like, you to spend lots of time. I don't even know how much it's worth that phone, not crypto one. How much is worth a call, but how much is going to be worth the 100? Or maybe it's not listed yet, so probably it's not listed yet. Not coined from 311 miner. I'm just asking Chat GPT. It's like slow as fuck these days. ChatGPT is confused. He don't know. I don't know either. Fuck me. He's asking me a question. It seems like you asking me about the agent fuel. Well, yes, that's exactly what I'm asking for. Like what the fuck? It's like this. ChatGPT is like I used to be happy using that, but every day I'm using now is like seems like ChatGPT is like super utterly retarded. Like these days, I don't know what the fuck they just fucked up something. Like like you have to tailor like super specific question, because if you're not going to prompt properly, like in 20 sentences in first prompt, it's just going to give you some bizarre answer. But obviously, if you're using a lot ChatGPT, you understand how to do it. But like I can be asked with this, like they should obviously upgrade or update free version. super slow. Maybe just gonna jump into some DeepSeek, the shitseek, OpenAI, or the French one. I really like the French one, which is the LeChat. LeChat is super fucking fast. It's better than DeepSeek, although they both have some limitations. Like DeepSeek is fast, but if you're going to work on DeepSeek more than even 10 minutes, will be just gonna crash because it's basically free for everybody and lots of people using it, and lots of people think like it's the best, but it's not. So let's say if you have some idea to do like some projects, let's say, I don't know, you want to tailor some book, just don't do it, because that will crash while you making that project, and then you're just gonna ask another question about the project you're working on, and he's just going to tell you like he don't know what the fuck you're asking him. So the DeepSeek version is shit. LeChat is great, but when you want to copy paste something from LeChat, you will have like black background. So I guess it's also tailored into the way to buy the premium. Anyway, we're just gonna ask the LeChat. And LeChat is great because you asking LeChat and you almost instantly will get the answer. Which means the value of the Agent 301 AGNT coin is currently $0. Okay, that makes sense because it's not listed yet. With no trading volume in the last 24 hours. Okay. And when I asked fucking ChatGPT, he was asking me the question. So like, what the fuck? So you are AI or I am fucking AI? Like, that's why I sort of, on the beginning, I was like super hooked into like ChatGPT, and I still think it's like the best tool as creating AI to just oppose to do some your work load. Like let's say copywriting is great for creating the content for books. Like I'll begin with the idea to creating the content for the books. Maybe that's the phrase I'm looking for. But like general questions, fucking hell, if you don't have a premium, it's just thinking too much. It's just too long. Okay, it's supposed to be listed. There's no specific information available regarding the listing date of Agent 301. The latest update indicate that the listing was expected to occur before October 2024, but it's not. Okay, so I'm a proud owner of some fucking shit tickets, and I just bought that because I just thought that's gonna count as an payment within the app. But guess what? They don't give a fuck. They don't give a fuck. Oh well, I'm not gonna record this any longer. Because nobody really wanna watch this, right? I don't even wanna play this, to be honest with you. So why the fuck? I don't wanna waste your time and my time. Anyway, so we have some shitty tickets. Obviously, it's not really good idea to buy them. Then we have some puzzle game, but I guess this is like that's going to go outside. Next attempt available. Oh, okay, yeah, I've done it. Like I pressed some random shit. So, okay, whatever. Doesn't really care about that. Why there's so many adverts when I don't want to watch adverts? So yeah, just need to wait for some airdrop or something from the other apps to I'm just mumbling. I'm super fucking tired. I need to go to bed to do that step 4, which is climb the tickets and basically to make a transaction. And then I'd be able to get the airdrop. So unfortunately, just don't have enough resources. So if you will be so kind watching me struggling and like wondering like what the fuck Switch, what the fuck are you doing? Like so you can send me a half ton so I can allocate to the step 4. Anyway, sooner or later that's going to happen. I hope that's going to happen before the airdrop though. So take care and bye for now.